Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TT Logic, and in this video we are going to solve a nice algebraic problem. And here we have to solve a nice problem which is x plus y is equal to 4 and xy is equal to 24. And here is the first equation is this, and this is the second equation. So we can be written as first equation x gamma y is equal to 4, and so this y is here and is equal to this 4, and this minus x move this plus x moved here is minus x, and so here it is make a third equation, and the value of y is equal to 4 minus x. So here is we can be written second equation this second equation xy is equal to 24. Xy is equal to 24, and now here we put x, and here we put the value of y, and y the value is here, y is equal to 4 minus x, is equal to 24. And so here we multiply this x is this 4x and minus this x multiply is x square and is equal to 24. And now here it is 4x, this minus x square is here, minus x square, and plus this 4x, and then minus this 24, and is equal to 0. And now here we divided by in this with minus 1. So this minus 1 divided by minus x square is x square, and this plus 4x divided by minus 1 is minus 4x, and this minus 24 divided by minus 1 is plus 24, minus 24, and minus 1 is minus 24, and is equal to 0. So here we solve this with the help of quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac, then over 2a. So here we put the formula in this, and now x is equal to, and minus b is minus 4, this minus, and b is minus 4, and plus minus square root of this b square is minus 4 square and minus 4, and a is times 1 and c is times 24, and then over 2, and a is times 1. So here in the next step is we solve them. X is equal to this minus minus plus, and this 4, and plus minus square root of this minus 4 square is 16, and minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 4 multiply is 96, and then over 2. So x is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 96 is equal to minus 80, and then over 2. And now x is equal to 4 plus minus, and this minus 80 can be written as 16 multiply 5 multiply minus 1, then over 2. And so in the next step is x is equal to 4 plus minus, and this 16 can be written as 4, and this square root of I, and this 5 is square root of 5, and then over 2. And then x is equal to 4 over 2 plus minus 4i square root of 5, then over 2, then here divided by this 2, 4 is 2, and this 2 divided by 4 is 2, and remaining is x is equal to 2 plus minus 2i and square root of 5. And now here is the first value of x is equal to 2 plus 2i square root of 5. Here is first value of x, and now in the second value of x is equal to 2 minus 2i square root of 5, and here it is the second value of x. And now here we find this y is equal to 4 minus x is third equation, and here we find y, and so y is equal to 4 minus x, and now y the first value is 4 minus, and here is we put the value of x, and x the value is here 2 plus 2i square root of 5, and y the first value is equal to 4 minus 2, and this minus plus minus 2i and square root of 5, and now y1 is this 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and then minus 2i and square root of 5, and here it is the first value of y. And in the next step is we can find the second value. So here we put y is equal to 4 minus x, and so the second value of y is equal to 4 minus, and here we put the value of x is this 2 minus 2i square root of 5. Y2 is equal to 4 minus 2 minus 2i square root of 5. And now y2 is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2, and then minus 2i and square root of 5. And now here it is the final second value of y. And so, and then after all we find these values, and here is x the first value and y the first value is this 2 plus 2i square root of 5. Here is the value of first x, and the first y the value is 2 minus 2i square root of 5, and here it is the value of first y. And now here the value of second x and second y. And now 2 minus 2i square root of 5. Here is the second value of this second x, and this second value of y is 2 plus 2i square root of 5. And now here is four values of these here. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.